model, 2009 Ford Transit 350L long wheelbase, rear-wheel drive high-roof jumbo van TDCi 115ps MOT failure welding donor engine gearbox axle star struck. Body, brown, panel van. Mileage, 151,109. Engine, 2401 cc TDCi 115ps DURATORQ-E. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. The engine clutch gearbox and drivetrain on. This are excellent, super smooth and powerful. This will make an ideal donor for running gear transplant. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 3 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HP